Before we head into our own site, let's take a look at the demo site available right on the Auctium homepage. Just scroll down and click Demo Site. This gives you a quick preview of how an Auctium auction site looks and works in action. Here's the demo site, clean, modern and easy to navigate. You can browse categories, view listings, and get a feel for how your own auctions will appear once your site is live. In the next video, we'll head into the admin portal to explain the settings, customize your site, and walk through the key features that make Auctium so easy to use. Now let's jump into the admin portal. This is where you'll manage everything for your auction site. From your Auctium dashboard, just click Admin Portal under your site name to open your admin area. Here's what it looks like once you're inside. You can see an overview of your auctions, active, sold and unsold lots, plus order management, invoices and your sales data displayed on the dashboard. Down the left hand side you'll find all your tools for creating and managing listings, tracking orders and handling payments. In the next video we'll create our first auction lot and show you how easy it is to list an item on your new site.